Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com movers report for September 7th, 2011. We're taking a look here at WLT. You can see we're gapping up this morning. Going to open probably around this 90 to 88 area, right up in here. We're gapping up over resistance to break away gap from this consolidation area. We're going to take this long off the open. Look for a new high of the day. Start with a half position. Wait for a pullback. See if it can pull back to a higher low or hold the low of the day. Add your second half and then see if you get a push through to a new high. First profit target is going to be around 88 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $1.90, $1.95 from your entry, and then I would trail a stop on your last piece. Take a look here at the daily chart on this. So we're gapping up over here. Going to have also have some resistance probably around this 92 right in there, and then up into 95, and then lastly at 97, 98, about 98 right there. And next we have SODA, S-O-D-A, gapping up this morning. Going to open up around this 4120 to 4080 area right in there. We're going to look to take this long on the open. This is gapping up over resistance. Should be strong if we get some buying in the market. Same thing as with WLT. Look to start with half position. Look for a pullback. Add your second half, and then see if it can break through to a new high. First profit target is going to be about 40 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 80 cents from your average entry, and then trail a stop on your last piece. Next up we have Urban, URBN. Gapping down this morning, already starting to bounce. Probably not going to chase it this far. Let's wait and see. I would like to open below 24. If it opens below 24, I'll look to take it long into the gap. Not going to chase it up here. So if it opens 24.20 to 24.60 up in this area, go ahead and pass on it. But if we open below 24, look for a new high of the day. Look to take this long up into this gap. Going to have some resistance here right around 24.67. A little bit more here at 25. And then again here at 25.20. Now we're looking at NVIDIA, NVDA. We're gapping up here into 14. We're just below some pretty solid resistance level. And the way this gap's shaping up, I'm actually going to look to short this back into the gap. So look for some selling. Look for a new low of the day. Go short. And then wait for a bounce. See if it can have a lower high. Add your second half. And then break to a new low. Going to have some support here at 1380. A little bit more here at 1360. And then some more support here at 1320. So those are some areas to watch as it's coming back into the gap. It could bounce up. If it moves up off the open, just go ahead and set an alert at the open and see if it can come back down and break the low of the day, and then take it short at that point. Could be later in the day, could be later in the morning. And now we have Yahoo, YHOO. Similar chart here as NVIDIA. Going to open up here between 14 and 1360. Going to have some support here at 1330, and then some support here at 13. Could come down into this 1280 area. So these are some areas to watch. Look for a new low and some selling off the open. Take it short. First profit target is going to be about 13 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 26 cents from your entry. And then I would trail a stop down into this area here about 13. Watch it at 13. Could have a bounce at that point. Next we have DRI. Gapping down this morning. Looking like we could open around 44 to 43.50. Actually want to wait and take this short below 43.50. So right around 43.40, look, take this short. First profit target is going to be about 43 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 86 cents, and then I would trail a stop. Could see some support here at 42, and we're definitely going to see some support down here at 40. So watch for that. If we do get a big sell-off and it comes down into 40, I may look for a long trade off of 40 with a strong bounce. And lastly, we have QLIK. Gapping down this morning, looking like it's going to open below 22, down to 22.28 right now. I'm going to wait for this to break below 22, so take the short below 21.94, so right there. First profit target is going to be about 21 cents from your entry. Depends on where it opens. It could open down below this. I'll still take it short if it gets some selling. Watch for support at 20. Second profit target is going to be about 44 cents from your entry, and then I would trail a stop down into this 20 area. 19, and then 18. Probably going to show a bounce at 20, but that's not enough money for me to take it long off of 20. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.